Yep, here we are again. Math practice with Mrs. Smith.
Welcome to Art for Math Kids Hub. I'm Mrs. Smith. This is my buddy Brett.
Hi.
Today we're going to show you how to draw something really fun. And what's the most important thing?
To have fun. And to do exactly what you say.
Exactly. Now let's draw something beautiful.
Yep.
Okay. Take your marker and we're going to draw a curve up at the top of your paper and then we're going to bring it down. Alright, almost like half of a heart shape. Then we're going to add a line down at the bottom. Okay, I guess you've got a line there somewhere. And then we're going to make another mark that goes across your paper. It's horizontal. This isn't going to work.
See it?
And then I'm going to make a mark straight down. Straight down. Okay. Okay, and then another line. And then another one. Straight down. Cut. What are you doing?
It's the same as yours.
It's not. I wanted you to do it exactly like mine. We're supposed to be having fun. How can we have fun if it's not right?
2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Just like yours.
All right. I guess. You mean because they're equivalent?
Yes.
They're like exactly the same thing? Even though they look different?
And this is fun.
You don't think this is going to confuse people? All right, well, let's try it again, but this time, do exactly what I tell you.
That's it.
Welcome to Art for Math Kids Hub. You ready?
Let's draw a beautiful
We're
picture.
going to make these exactly the same.
Okay.
This one, we're going to start off like last time. We're going to start up at top and draw this curve and then a curve.
Curve.
This one's going to make a really pretty picture.
Curve.
Hope you're getting this at home. And then we're going to draw a line at the bottom, a straight line at the bottom. Okay, you happy with that?
Yep.
Okay, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, do exactly what I do
Okay.
and have fun. We're going to draw a line, a horizontal line. Good job! Good job! Let's see if you can get this one. We're going to draw a curve, almost like a backwards C. Backwards C. Okay. And then we're going to do another curve, like a backwards C that's a little bigger.
Ooh.
Do you see mine?
Yeah.
And you see yours?
Yeah. They're exactly alike.
You think those are exactly alike?
Yeah. 2 times 3 equals 6.
Okay.
3 times 3 equals 9. Just like yours. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. This is neat.
You mean because they're equivalent fractions again?
Yeah. It's exactly the same. Mine's fun.
All right. Well, I'm glad you're having fun.
Yeah. I'm having fun. Yay! Yay, Mrs. Smith! Yay!
All right. You know what?
Sure.
How about I think you should go play with Ziggy for a little bit.
Oh yeah. Thanks.
You go do that. Thanks for helping me.
See ya. I had
Great
fun.
math art.
I had fun.
Good. I'm glad. Now let's do some more math art.
My buddy Brett was drawing equivalent fractions for his artwork. Let's see if we can do that. First, draw this little vertical line at the top of your paper, and then underneath it, a horizontal line. And then this kind of curvy thing kind of looks like a 3. Then this little crisscross drawing, and then we're going to draw this curved with a line underneath it and another loopy thing underneath it with a line. It looks really pretty, doesn't it? Now let's do this. To find a common denominator so I can add these, I'm going to find an equivalent fraction. So I need to think about what number to use for the denominator. So I start off by listing the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, and then the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18. 12 is in both of them. That means I can use 12 as a denominator because 3 will go into 12 and 6 will go into 12. So I'm going to change 1/3 over to 12ths, and I'm going to change 2/6 over to 12ths. That means I'm going from 3 to 12. So that would be 3 times 4 to get to 12. So 1 times 4 would give me the numerator, the top number. That's 4. If I make the bottom number twice as big, then I make the top number twice as big. The numerator twice as big. 2 times 2 is 4. And I can add them up. 4 twelfths plus 4 more twelfths. That means that would be 8 twelfths if you put them all together. We can simplify that too, but that's another video. Breathtaking. Let's draw some new math art. How about starting with a 3 and a 5 underneath it. 3/5 minus, let's see, how about 2 15ths? To subtract 5ths and 15ths, we need to find a common denominator. So the multiples of 5, I know 5 will go into 5, 10, 15. I know it'll go into more, but I already see they share a 15. 5 goes into 15 and 15 goes into 15 for sure. So I'm going to change these both over to 15ths. And this one already is 15ths, so I can just bring it on over. It's still going to be 2 15ths. I don't have to change it. But if I go back up here, 5 times what is 15? 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 15ths minus 2 15ths would be 7 15ths. If you started off with 9 15ths and someone took 2 of them, you would have 7 15ths left. That is gorgeous. I wonder if there's a museum for math art somewhere. Now, this one's all you. Draw what I draw. And now, solve it by finding equivalent fractions with a common denominator. Press pause while you work, and then you can press play and check your answer. Does your math art look like this? There are actually quite a few numbers that 4 and 6 go into, but I bet you used 12 for your common denominator. So if we use 12ths as our common denominator, 4 times 3 is 12, 2 times 3 is 6. Let's change this one over to 12ths as well. 6 times 2 is 12, and 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 twelfths plus 6 more twelfths would give us 12 twelfths all together, which is the same thing as 1 whole. I know math art can be challenging, but I hope you got it. And now that your drawing is finished, you should have ended up with this beautiful picture. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
You want me to do 2 or what do you want me to do?
I told you 4, no matter what I make you feel like. Because I am like, oh no. You are. I make one comment like, oh. You're going to start up at the top. And you're going to make a curve down to the middle of your paper. Almost like half a heart. Yeah, and then we're going to add a line. Okay. And then
What?
you don't know how we're
You said we're going to add a line.
because you started on it.
You drew it.
I didn't have it.
Next.
I need more paper.
Higher paid actors.
I need
Ziggy keep it back. Split screen
to.
time.
This is why I don't like scripts. Okay. Math for Art Kids. Welcome to Art for Math Kids Hub.